Oops. Where's the match? Are they in the house?
Right there.
What happened?
Right there. I put it on accident.
Do this.
I tried to not do it right at it.
There you go.
Matt,
I thought it was the
Say daddy.
Here.
Silly
Come on.
daddy. Say silly daddy.
Vicky, would you mind, please? Thank you.
Okay, ready? Gotta go. You blow it when it's on fire, okay?
She's just looking at it. Like all of it.
Oh, well, turn off these.
There's a lot of women.
Here. There.
There. We had the fans going, that's why.
Hey, Gracie.
Ready?
Blow.
Blow it.
Oh, that's good.
Yay! Clap! Yay for Gracie!
Again?
Again!
Do you see what's on?